The LOTOS LTPDC2000D is a versatile 3-in-1 machine that combines plasma cutting, TIG welding, and stick welding capabilities, making it an excellent choice for both professional and DIY users. This upgraded model boasts a significant power increase, allowing it to achieve a clean cut thickness of up to 5/8 of an inch and a severance cut thickness of up to 3/4 of an inch. The non-touch pilot arc plasma cutter is designed to efficiently slice through rough, painted, and rusty surfaces while minimizing slag production, which enhances the quality of the cut. With a TIG welder capable of delivering up to 200 amperes, it ensures precise welding on stainless steel and other thinner gauge materials, although the foot pedal and argon regulator are not included. The stick welder offers a stable welding arc and an adjustable hot striking arc current, enabling the user to tackle various types of electrodes with ease and create deep, aesthetically pleasing welds. Setup is a breeze with its pre-installed air filter regulator and industry-standard plug, allowing users to connect to an air compressor quickly and get started within 1 minute.